In this video, I will show you how to increase camera quality in Realme GT Neo 3T. First thing you need to do is download GCam mod. Click on the link in the description of the video and click download. I've opened the link in the browser. Now I'm clicking on the GCam mod. Now click on download. This will start downloading the whole APK file. Once you click on that file, you will get a prompt and you have to give permission to install this app. Enable allow apps from this source. And now installation will start. Once it's installed, go to the app drawer and open the camera. In this version, you can only use the main sensor and the 2x zoom. Night sight, portrait mode, and video works really well. Let's take a look at the sample with GCam. As you can see, the colors are more natural and true to life. Realme's stock camera app boosts colors too much and it gives an artificial effect. In the GCam mod camera, the colors are much more natural and it is true to life. And the dynamic range is also really good. These are the outdoor pictures. You can take a look at these images and decide for yourself. Next up, I will show you the indoor shots. This is where the GCam excels really well. As you can see, the stock camera app of Realme is very grainy and the light is very low. In GCam, the light is really good and in the indoor shots, it is actually usable. The color accuracy of the indoor shots is really good too. In most cases, GCam works really well, only in some few cases where Realme stock camera performs well. Use the link in the description and try out GCam. For more videos like these, click on the subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.